Here's all my ingredients. I have my honey, my milk, my strawberry banana, and some ice. Ice, bananas, strawberries, milk, and a little honey. Smoothie is going in the glass. So there we go, ready to drink.